Welcome to our channel. Take out the black pen and draw the hot air balloon. Draw a big circle. Draw an ellipse underneath as well. Small basket. Let's connect it with a line. Now let's draw the lines on top of the balloon. Wavy lines. Vertical lines. Paint a lovely flower. Circle. Flower. Circle. Flower. Circle. Flower. Circle. Hot air balloon basket painted with flowers. Triangle. Vertical stripes. Painting the little cloud on the side. Clouds on the left. Upper right cloud. Now the simple pattern is complete. Let's start roughing it up.
Woo!
That's great. Now let's get to the colors. Yellow. Bright yellow. Yellow. Bright yellow. Green. Orange. Purple. Deep purple. Rose. Red. Pink. Bright yellow. Pink. Orange. Red. Orange. Blue. Pale purple. Sky blue. Our work is done. It's beautiful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.